Be ready. 3 seconds left. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, after 26/11 Mumbai terror attack, the government has reportedly revamped coastal security in the country, especially in the Konkan coastline, against any possible terrorist attack. But nothing much has changed on the ground. Only periodic red alerts are issued by the intelligence agencies asking fishermen to refrain from venturing into the sea. Konkan beaches are sun and an extremely vulnerable from security point of view, but unfortunately the coastal security arrangements, including security patrolling and intelligence gathering, leave much to be desired. The Coastal Guard, the Navy and the Coastal Police are all mandated to maintain strict coastal vigil, yet there are serious problems of coordination and operational jurisdiction among them. Contrary to the official claims, the local and fishermen often say that neither the Coastal Guard nor the Navy is actively patrolling the coast of Konkan. I urge the government to revamp coastal security in Konkan region of Maharashtra on a priority basis. Tamil Nadu is facing acute power crisis and efforts are being made by the state government to find a permanent solution through setting up of power plants. This is a long-term measure. As an interim arrangement, the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has repeatedly urged the centre to provide additional powers from the central pool and to ensure transmission of power supply from the states which are having surplus power. The main hurdle to get additional power in the corridor congestion. No efforts have so far been taken by the Power Ministry to ease the transmission lines and also to ensure power supply to Tamil Nadu. Under the federal setup, the centre has an obligation to meet the needs of the states. Disruption the industrial production and distress to farmers are the outcome of the power crisis, and the centre has to take responsibility on this count. The centre has to take positive approach and come forward to rescue the state to ease the power position in order to resolve the crisis. The centre has to act instantaneously and supply the required power to bridge the demand and supply gap. I wish to bring an important issue to the notice of this august House, and there are some casual announcers working at Akashvani stations across India for a long time. The Akashvani has not taken up measures for regular recruitment of permanent announcers for the past 15 years, and thus 80% of the human resources are occupied by casual announcers who are also operating as broadcasting executives.